body mount chop. A 5-gallon shower right there, it goes in the back. Recovery equipment. Smitty built. Fridge in the back. One Dominican slider. Outlets right there. Voltmeter in the rear. It's a woofer for some bass. Dual battery. On board dual battery charger. Got the red arc hooked up to the solar panel. Relay box. Distribution center. Really clean here, really clean. Took me a lot of time to do that. On the inside. To the red arc, dual battery voltmeter, my ham radio right there, CB right here, in-dash, I even have my gun mount right there. It's a 2008 Toyota 4Runner, did all the modifications myself. One more wraparound. It's an ARQ 4-wheel drive awning, 270. Hit me up if you got questions. Take a lot of pride in my car.